Another way you can do this copy and paste that you don't necessarily need to use Control V, Control C for copy, Control X for cut, and Control V for paste. Let me just do that quickly. This is Control C, so I'm going onto my keyboard now. Control C. You see it has selected. Now click here. Control V. I have pasted that. Or I select again. Control X. I cut. Then down here, Control V. I paste. So what if I don't want to do this? I don't want to keep on doing this Control V, Control C, and Control X. So what should I do? I will still select the range I want to copy. I'll hold on to my Control button on the keyboard. I'll hold on to my Control. Now look at my mouse. You can see I have this additional plus sign located at the top of this arrow, right? So then I will now click with my mouse or hold on to my keypad here, the mouse section. Then I'll drag and take it to, let's say, H. Then I will drop. This is copy. I've also copied without doing Control C and Control V. Then what if I want to cut, right? So let me still select this. Then I will just drag. I will not hold on to Control on my keyboard. I will just go ahead, and you see this selection where you have the arrow and this four sign together. I'll just click that. I'll click and drag. So let me drag to let's see, what should I put it? Let me put it here, right? And paste. You see, I just drop and drag and drop. So this is how I cut without using Control X and without using Control V. So this is just basic on copy and paste. You make use of copy, cut, and paste very regularly once you start making use of Excel, Microsoft Excel. If you have any question on the cut, copy, and paste that we just handled now, don't forget to drop it on the comment section and we'll attend to that. For our next video, we are going to be looking at this Format Painter, how to make use of Format Painter. See you in my next class. Bye.